How to fix mobile view in Shopify. To show you this, we have to go to our online store first. So we go to the left hand side here, and where it says online store, you just click on that. And from here, we want to go to right here where it says customize on the right. Just click on that one. And that will bring you to this editing page where you can edit your desktop version of your site. But what we want is to edit the mobile version of our website. So what we have to do is you want to look up here at the right corner of the page, and as you can see here, these three icons which represent the different views, for example desktop, mobile, and full screen. Right now we're on desktop. As you can see, the symbol looks like a monitor, a desktop computer. So the next thing you want to do is go to mobile, and this will open this mobile version of your online store. And now you can go ahead and make the changes you want if something is not displaying correctly in the mobile version. And that's how you fix the mobile view on Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.